The things you see on the bike trail. Go on, pick it up, P.
Bet. I'm picking that. I ain't touching that.
Huh?
I'm not touching that.
Good grief. I guess we're in his habitat. He's like, what's the big deal? God dog.
Move slow, don't you?
You said, go on, pick it up, man.
You for real?
No.
I will.
Hey, this bird like,
Is that your bird?
man, I gotta come out here to clear my mind. This woman getting on my goddamn nerves. Whew, it's so nice to get some peace and quiet out here. Ain't nobody out here except these two brothers. What y'all looking at? What y'all looking at, huh? Brother can't come out and get some peace of mind by himself? Somebody always gotta be looking at me. What y'all looking at? Anyway, I'm gonna ignore them. Woo-sa. Woo-sa. Got it on medium mode, the whole trail. Medium mode. See about how fast I'm going. My Ancheer, I know a lot of folks been asking questions about my Ancheer. I still ride it every other day. My son is riding it now. What do you think about the Ancheer?
It's a good bike.
Yeah, I've had it now for about, what, 4 years? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Look at the view, everybody. Look. That's cool, right? Man, look at that. See, I'm going about 15 miles an hour on medium mode. You put this Ecotric 20-inch on high mode, I go about 20 miles an hour. So, just wanted to take y'all on the bike trail with us this morning. If the weather's good in your area, I encourage you to go outside, get some exercise. One way to beat the virus, from what I hear, is to have a healthy body and a healthy immune system. So, it's fall time, everybody. No excuses. Let's get outside if we can and get some exercise. So enjoy our bike ride here. Check out this cell phone holder I got. It's a cell phone holder and it's a light too. It has a headlight to it and it holds your cell phone, and you can charge your cell phone from the back. So it holds your cell phone, it's a headlight, and it's a cell phone charger. This thing here is a lifesaver. Man, it's a lot of craziness going on today, yeah. Seems like America, the country we live in, is divided. We're going into a political season, but just want to remind everybody that do what you have to do for yourself. Don't let this stuff stress you out too much. Don't let politicians and news stations separate you too much. And agree to disagree out there. Continue to stay peaceful, because you know, you never know what tomorrow brings. Appreciate every day like it's your last. Alright, y'all, peace.